One mistake some hackers or pentesters make is failing to identify the defenses a target has in place in order to defend itself against any form of attack. This video will show you how you can detect Web Application Firewall if it exists in a web app. I upload really cool ethical hacking videos on this channel, so if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell button to get notified anytime I upload a new video. Web Application Firewalls, or WAFs, creates a layer of protection between a web app and the internet, more like a shield protecting a web app from many common attacks such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, file inclusion vulnerability, improper system configuration, etc. We'll be using a powerful tool called WafW00f to detect web application firewalls. You can get this tool from GitHub, links in the video description below. If you're using Kali Linux operating system, the tool is already pre-installed. This tool is quite simple to use. To scan for web application firewall on a target site, all you need to do is type WafW00f, then followed by your target URL. I'll be using example.org for this illustration. Awesome. The site example.org is behind Edgecast, Verizon Digital Media WAF. Let's try one more target. WafW00f, phoneweb.com. Oops, something went wrong. HTTPS connection pool blah blah blah. phoneweb.com appears to be down. Okay, this could be an issue with my connection. Try scanning this target from your end and let me know the result you got down the comment section. Let's try one more target. WafW00f tesla.com. The site tesla.com is behind catchwall, vanish, WAF. We're not doing anything illegal here. At the time of making this video, Tesla is still open scope, which means anyone can look for security bugs and report the findings made. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and also share with others. You can also help this channel grow through your support via the links in the video description below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.